Picture this. You're dropped into a chaotic digital metropolis, teeming with endless possibilities and competitors around every corner. Your mission is to dominate the platform, climb to the top, and win big. And if you're lucky, make a bunch of money without ever showing your face. But why are you losing the game right now? That's because you don't know how to play. Are you ready to master the YouTube game like a pro? Welcome to the YouTube game. This journey isn't going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. Let's get started. There was a time when the online world only knew how to make money by having a job. Now, people are marveling at the success of faceless YouTube channels. These creators amassed millions of views and subscribers, all while keeping their identities hidden. Little did anyone know, their success was built on a foundation of smart strategies, relentless creativity, and a deep understanding of YouTube's inner workings. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a sprawling city of creators, each fighting for attention, subscribers, and views. It's the ultimate game of visibility, creativity, and strategy. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, the stakes are sky-high, and the competition is ruthless. But just like in GTA, if you know the rules and play your cards right, you can rise from obscurity to digital fame without ever revealing your face. This game requires more than just uploading videos. It demands a keen eye for trends, a knack for engaging storytelling, and a strategic approach to audience building. The faceless channel creators who have mastered this game know that content is king, but strategy is the crown that keeps it in place. Imagine achieving financial freedom and escaping the rat race, all through your faceless YouTube channel. The potential rewards are immense. A platform to share your passions, passive income, and the ability to work from anywhere in the world. With the right strategies, YouTube can be your ticket to a life you've always dreamed of. Get ready, because we're about to dive into the heart of the YouTube game. Here, you'll learn how to play the YouTube game and uncover the secrets of building a successful, faceless channel. From crafting compelling content to leveraging analytics for growth, this is your blueprint to winning big on YouTube. Follow it closely and you just might find yourself at the top, enjoying the rewards of your hard work and ingenuity. Ready to play? Let's go.